if you find yourself with a camera in your hand and you want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment down below what you would like to learn more about. Hey Photos photographers, I'm going to talk to you today about turning things around. Have you ever used an umbrella in a photograph, lighting with the umbrella as a diffuser? And so therefore your umbrella would be on your light stand, your flash would be mounted behind the umbrella. Have you ever turned around your lighting like this, that you're using the sun as your main source of light? So then you hand your studio umbrella, or maybe even use a real umbrella, light enough in color, and maybe you have already color corrected to account for the coloring of light coming through the umbrella, but letting that light as the person you're imaging, or maybe you even just use this to tone down the lighting of a subject you're shooting, such as a flower, or if you want to leave an umbrella set up to capture a specific area that you want to photograph wildlife in. It doesn't just have to be portraiture. Let your umbrella diffuse lighting in that area. And instead of using the umbrella to diffuse your added light, how about you use the umbrella to diffuse the ambient light? Just had an idea about that, and I thought I'd drop that off in a video to y'all as a tip. I would be forced, as I was doing shoots, to figure things out like this. And I got to a point where I was going, man, I just wish I had one of these round reflectors that I could use as a diffuser, take off the outer silver or gold covering and just hold up that diffuser. And I looked past what I had on hand, which were some umbrellas that I could have used to diffuse and other things. It got to a point where I ended up starting carrying around a bed sheet so that I could try to attach the bed sheet in different places on different things to soften, diffuse, and make the lighting more even in an area. I didn't have to go to all that trouble as much if I had just had the mind to think about and to use some of the things that I had on hand. So hopefully this quick tip is a help to you, and you can use this question of turning things around. If you're going to use an umbrella to add light, diffusing your added light, maybe I just use this, say for a portrait. I have my subject hold the umbrella, and to shade them while I allow the rest of the area around them to blow out. And they are brought into a good exposure, being shaded a little bit, but also, again, turning things around, being shaded but exposed properly enough with the umbrella that it creates that intriguing, eye-catching, and good view of your photograph and your subject. So thank you so much for watching, and if this content has added something to your thinking and the way you want to carry forward in your photography, we would love to have your thumbs up. If there's something that this video has made you think about and has added value to your photography, we would love to hear about it in a comment below. And if you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to have your subscription. Thank you so much. God bless.